Girl, Aaliyah naman, Aaliyah, lagi talaga may bit-bit, lagi siyang may surprise. Tama yung sabi ni Coach Billy, eh. Every time na magpe-perform na siya, para siyang may mga ano, eh, para siyang magician na sobrang daming tricks. Gulat ako, she's parang every time she performs on stage, it gets stronger and more powerful and better and better and better. It was fun. I was honestly enjoying the performance kasi she was working her way to the stage, goes back and forth, looks at the fans here. Nakikita mo na ine-enjoy niya bukod dun sa skills na meron na siya. Ine-enjoy niya. So, it's good.